Welcome to today's review on the Heybike Villain Electric Dirt Bike, a remarkable e-motorcycle built for adventure seekers and thrill enthusiasts alike. This high-performance electric dirt bike delivers an extraordinary riding experience, perfectly combining power, speed, and safety, making it a fantastic choice for both teens and adults looking to conquer off-road trails or cruise on urban streets with style. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this electric dirt bike at the best price in the market. From the very first glance, the Heybike Villain impresses with its aggressive yellow and black design, a bold statement that clearly shows it's ready to tackle rugged terrains. The heart of this beast is its 4160W mid-drive motor producing an impressive 190 Nm of torque, giving riders instant acceleration with just a simple twist of the throttle, easily climbing hills, tackling rough trails, and maintaining stable control at top speeds up to 45 miles per hour. Compared to many other small motorcycles, the Heybike Villain offers explosive acceleration and superior maneuverability, ensuring every ride feels thrilling yet controlled, which is ideal for both beginner riders and experienced motocross enthusiasts. Safety is clearly a priority in this design, with a high-quality 52V26Ah battery integrated with an advanced battery management system, allowing for a range of up to 50 miles per charge and faster recharging times than most off-road bikes in its class. This battery is UN 38.3 and UL certified, giving riders peace of mind that their adventures are supported by reliable and safe power, making long rides and weekend trail exploration completely worry-free. Another standout feature is the full dual suspension system that combines a rear nitrogen shock absorber and hydraulic front suspension, ensuring high-frequency vibrations are minimized, landings feel softer, and both hand and body fatigue are significantly reduced. Whether you're racing down dirt tracks, jumping over small obstacles, or riding over rocky surfaces, this suspension system guarantees a smoother ride with exceptional stability even at higher speeds. The Heybike Villain also incorporates a highly responsive braking system that combines heavy-duty hydraulic brakes with an advanced regenerative braking system, providing precise stopping power even on slippery, dusty, or muddy terrain. The magnetic emergency power cut switch adds an extra layer of safety, instantly shutting down the motor if a fall occurs, which is particularly reassuring for teens and novice riders learning to handle powerful bikes. Beyond power and performance, the bike's ergonomics are thoughtfully designed, with a taller 29.5-inch seat height and a roomier frame that accommodates riders ranging from 3.9 to 6.1 feet in height, ensuring comfortable posture without feeling cramped. The addition of a reverse gear function makes maneuvering in tight spots incredibly easy, a feature that's surprisingly practical when parking or repositioning off-road. Storage solutions have not been overlooked either, with a stylish tail bag included, perfect for carrying essentials on longer rides, and available options for crossbody or holder bags depending on your riding needs. The build quality of the Heybike Villain is exceptional, utilizing high-carbon steel for the frame that balances durability with lightweight handling, allowing riders to confidently take on off-road challenges without compromising structural integrity. This e-dirt bike is also incredibly versatile. It's suited not just for hardcore motocross but also casual rides, trail exploration, and even urban commuting for those who want a fun yet practical electric vehicle. While the Heybike Villain excels in so many areas, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The top speed of 45 miles per hour requires focus and caution, particularly for younger or less experienced riders, and local regulations should be checked before use to ensure compliance with safety and licensing requirements. Overall, the pros heavily outweigh any minor cons: a powerful motor, long-range battery, full suspension, hydraulic brakes, comfortable ergonomics, and additional features like reverse gear and tail storage make this one of the most compelling electric dirt bikes currently available. For thrill seekers, weekend adventurers, and anyone wanting a high-quality, reliable off-road experience, the Heybike Villain delivers consistently on all fronts, providing both excitement and peace of mind. The combination of modern design, safety certifications, and high-performance components ensures you get a bike that not only looks great but performs exceptionally well across different terrains and conditions. Riders will appreciate the responsive handling, the sturdy yet comfortable frame, and the smooth ride thanks to carefully tuned suspension, while parents or guardians will value the advanced safety features and the bike's ability to fit a wide range of rider sizes comfortably. Every aspect of this e-bike has been engineered with thoughtfulness, from the torque-rich motor to the robust braking system, ensuring each ride is not just fun but also controlled, predictable, and safe. Adventure lovers will notice how quickly the bike accelerates, the thrill of cruising at higher speeds, and the confidence it gives you to tackle challenging paths without fear. With the growing popularity of electric motorcycles, the Heybike Villain stands out by offering a balance of performance, safety, and practicality, making it a great investment for anyone looking to step into the world of electric dirt bikes without compromise. The inclusion of the tail bag further emphasizes its practical approach, letting riders carry tools, water, or personal items on longer rides, which adds convenience to the thrill of off-road adventures. One of the best things about this bike is how beginner-friendly it is despite its powerful motor. The reverse gear, simple throttle control, and ergonomic seating make learning easier and more comfortable for newer riders. Experienced riders will also appreciate the responsiveness, the stability at higher speeds, and the reliability of the hydraulic braking system paired with regenerative technology. Overall, the Heybike Villain electric dirt bike is a well-rounded, exciting, and reliable machine that combines innovation, safety, and performance into one package. From the carefully designed suspension and frame to the high-capacity battery and robust braking system, it truly caters to a wide audience, making it ideal for thrill seekers, families, and off-road adventurers alike. For anyone looking to upgrade their riding experience or dive into off-road electric biking, this bike is an absolute must-see and a top contender in its class. Don't miss out on the chance to experience the Heybike Villain yourself. Click the link in the description below to grab this amazing electric dirt bike at the best available price today and start your journey into thrilling, safe, and high-performance off-road adventures without delay.